Yeah. Where's the seatbelt thing?
No, there's none.
I normally sit in these and tell everyone how they just feel right and everything's perfect.
Yeah.
But when you're like a foot and a half too short.
Yeah. And then one of our good mates got married and he wanted to use it as a wedding card.
Yes.
Oh, well, I can't leave it looking like this.
That didn't sound like you had a whole lot of traction just then.
Hey, I'm Brandon. This is my S15 RB25 Silvia.
Dude yesterday, I was standing next to it and he comes up and he goes, "This is tidy," and I was like, "Oh, yes. Where's Brandon when you need him?" You get to really hear the gate, eh? You don't get that on the road properly. It's just fun.
Yeah. That's what it's all about.
That's right. That's why it's so cheap to run, right?
Yeah.
This video is brought to you by us, Gumboot Rally. Want to see roads you didn't know existed? Like meeting people, having fun? Join the largest automotive themed scavenger hunt in New Zealand. Join our next adventure and see what you've been missing out. Gumbootrally.com, book now. Back to the video. So this, I'm going to guess, is it a 99?
It's a 2000 or an 01, I think.
2000.
New orange spray?
Yep. So, SR20 still?
RB25.
RB25, yeah. Oh, wow,
yep.
You've gone quite outside the box.
Yep.
Man.
So I got it, it had already all been done. It was my best mate's.
Oh, yes?
He passed away when we were about, I think I was 19, he was 20. And so I finished it all, did all the body work, like it was just gel coat body kit in there.
Yep.
Did all the body work.
Is that your profession or?
No, I'm a diesel mechanic by trade.
Yep.
And I've just mucked around in the automotive industry since then, really. So I just sort of got it all finished, got it all certified, which was a nightmare and a half because he'd sort of got it off someone else who had done something, and someone else had done bits of it.
Okay, been passed around a few times.
And it was such a headache. But
was it because of the registration or the work done on it?
Just the work done on it, and I didn't really know what people had done.
Yep. Yeah, know the story, eh?
Yeah.
Don't take on someone else's problem, basically.
Pretty much.
Yep.
You do like, I did pages and pages of work, like you take it for a set, they'll be like, right, you need to do this and this. Sweet, me, do that and more, and then they'll be like, right, nah, now you need to do this. And it's shit you wouldn't even like think to look at.
Yep.
But, you know, that's what it is. Got to be done.
And now it's all red ball cert, legal.
Yep.
How long has it been all sweetened up?
Probably, so one of our good mates got married and he wanted to use it as a wedding card.
Yes.
Oh, well, I can't leave it looking like this.
No. That's good motivation.
Yeah, pretty much.
Good mate.
Got it all suited on the wheels and that, so it pretty much, I haven't changed anything except the bodywork really.
Yes.
Suited.
And what's it for?
Suited for?
No, what's it for? Why do you own it?
Shit like this? Just go for a drive on a Sunday?
Yep.
Go shoot out to the pub and have a beer, or go get breakfast, or and a bit of a legacy for Nathan really.
Yep.
Like for all of our mates to sort of enjoy and
yep.
Yeah.
All the right noises, eh?
Oh yeah.
So what turbo is it?
So it's a master power, don't ask me the size of it, it had already been put on.
Yep.
I got it. Bit of a limmy check, my bro.
Yeah. me,
I just do dumb shit.
200, 220.
Yeah.
That's road car stuff.
What's that on there?
Hey?
What's that on there?
Oh yeah, fair.
Like-
Any S chassis.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
enough for me.
Yeah.
I think you just spend too much time around the
Yeah.
race cars
Yeah.
and you guys get all excited. See, I think a 200 kilowatt road car, you can really drive it.
Yeah.
And you can have a really good time.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Whereas I'd start creeping over that, all you're really doing is getting to that next corner quicker.
Yeah. Yeah.
In my opinion, anyway.
You can only go so fast on the road.
Exactly. And you can only put so much down on a wet road.
Yeah. They all feel like $1,000 spare on the wet.
Yeah, yeah. Even my Starlet.
Yeah.
I've only driven like 2 S15s.
Yeah.
Where's the seatbelt thing?
No, there's none.
Oh, so I've just got to be. Jesus.
Because I'm so tall with
Yeah.
the slide, like I got it suited with the slider.
Yeah.
I took it out because I'm like this.
Man.
And it's-
Okay, this is going to be
You'll be
a,
right.
a stretchy experience. Does that go down?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Because that'll help me. It'll come closer.
Do you want a hoodie to check behind it?
Hey. Just about. Oh, yeah. It's not as bad as I was thinking. Just about do want a hoodie, man.
Yeah.
It drives normal though.
It does, eh?
Yeah.
My biggest thing, like, it's a nice car.
Yep.
It looks nice.
Yep.
And I definitely want to look after it, preserve it. But
Yep.
it's a car to drive. Why have a nice car if you're not going to drive it?
Yeah, man. Handy.
Otherwise, you might as well sell it and put the money in the bank and go do something.
See, I don't mind painting things, so to me it's just paint.
Yeah.
I don't mind fixing panels, so to me it's just a panel.
Yeah.
And I don't mind fixing engine parts, so if you blow that up, it's just a part.
Yeah, yeah.
You know,
Exactly.
so like, it doesn't have to get me to work on Monday.
No.
It's got to be able to sit in my garage.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
its job. And if I get to drive it, that's a bonus. That's how I look at it.
Yeah.
I feel like gadget. I normally sit in these and tell everyone how they just feel right and everything's perfect.
Yeah.
But when you're like a foot and a half too short,
Yeah.
everything feels like I'm too short. It's
Yeah.
not right. Yeah, right. It's so nice. Like it's firm and planted, but it's not shaky.
Yeah, yeah. It's gonna have big feet on it too, eh?
Oh yeah, the nice wide feet.
10.5 in the rear and 9.5 in the front.
Yep, that'll do it.
Real meaty offset.
Yep.
I was pretty lucky with those wheels.
Why they're coming off someone or?
Yeah, one of my mates. So the 180 that I've got now, my track car that I'm building.
Yep.
Another mate brought it with a V8 and these wheels on it.
Yes.
And he just wanted the V8. So
Yep.
he sold the body to another mate. They put a motor in it. Mate.
Yep, yep.
And then I bought the wheel.
Yeah, it's a bit of fun, isn't it?
Oh yeah, boogies.
That was like 3/4 throttle too. I don't like to beat other people's cars up.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Quite keen to drive lots of them, not
Yeah.
just one of them.
Yeah.
Sideways once.
Yeah.
Why this car?
So this car for me was a real good mate of mine's, Nathan.
Yep.
He passed away when I was about 19. He was 20.
Yep.
Unfortunately, so I got to him, which is never a nice thing at that age, and that affected a lot of our mates quite a lot.
Yep.
He sort of got us, definitely me, got me a lot more involved in motorsport and drifting and all that. So I sort of ended up with it. I went to another mate for a bit, and then I ended up with it. And it was just my mission to pretty it up because he was into that sort of thing, you know,
Yep.
into the pretty wheels and the seats and that, which at that age I wasn't really into that.
Oh yeah, you just want to go and thrash?
I just wanted to go have fun, you
Do
know,
stuff.
do stupid shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, as
Yeah.
you do, but I definitely have a lot more of appreciation for like a nice, you know, nice build now.
And we're going to show some photos. You've got some photos of
Yep.
when you first got it. We'll
Yep.
pop them up. They're here.
Yeah.
And then now it's like this. So
Yeah.
you did you say Steve soldiered the paintwork?
No, so Steve's actually painting my 180, my
Okay,
track
yep.
car at the moment.
Yep.
But a good mate, Kane Anderson, painted this.
Yes.
I don't know if you know Matt Carter at all.
I don't know the name.
So all these front guards, these are all steel.
Oh,
He did
wow.
All of them. Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah, bro.
I just
Yeah.
assumed it was a kit.
Nah.
Nah. Oh, wow.
The fiberglass kit that it had.
Yep.
But we bondoed it in, so it looks like it's supposed to be there.
Yep.
Like if you didn't know, S15 through well, you just think that's what it's like, you know.
Well, I'd only really seen this in photos,
Yeah.
and it wasn't until I walked up into the driveway that I went, it's good.
Yeah. That's what I wanted it to be like. Fair enough on a trick car.
Yeah.
Like.
Well, it's got a purpose then.
Yeah.
It doesn't need to be pretty because if it scratches, you want to put another one on.
Yeah, or you put a sticker over it or
yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
But
cover it with stickers. Yeah.
this had like the wide body and it was riveted on and that, and it just, in my opinion, it just doesn't. It looked like a trick car, you know. Like to me, it should be ideal world. It have aircon.
Yeah.
I don't think that's ever going to happen with the RB in it. But, it should just be like a nice car, you know, a nice daily car that you can go drive to Auckland or something.
Well, we did discuss air ride. I strongly think air ride should go in this.
If the budget would allow, I probably would.
Well, you discussed building another car for the road, so surely air ride would be cheaper than building an entire car.
Yeah, well that's true.
Depending on the car.
I don't know, definitely want more cars. No.
Yeah, well that's true. You know the
Good
formula?
excuse. No.
N+1.
Yeah.
And N is the amount of cars you currently own.
Oh yeah, yeah, right, sweet. So just +1.
Keep
always.
going.
Yeah.
You're good. You're good.
Yeah.
So tell me about when you went and picked it up. Was it around at the mate's place? Did you chuck it on a trailer or?
I got it off Buddy, which was one of our good mates.
Yep.
And I had a R34 track car then.
Yes.
And Buddy was sort of in the mind he wanted to get into the track stuff.
Yes.
And I didn't want this car to go to. I guess I was almost a bit selfish, but I didn't want this car to go to the wrong person.
No, I agree. You didn't want to leave your group.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I ended up swapping Buddy in my track car and then later down the track brought it back.
Oh, cool.
Which was pretty wicked to have this in my track car.
Yeah.
I would have been 20, 21 or something.
Wow.
Which was pretty cool.
Yeah,
I couldn't really afford to do a
an
lot.
R34 and an S15
Yeah.
at 20.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, everyone in America is shitting themselves right now.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, exactly.
because for them that's like
You can't even get
more
it
than
even
your
now.
house.
Yeah. Yeah. And then it was just a mission of trying to clean it up and get it all certified was the next thing on the list really.
And was the plan get it home, get it going, and it'll be sweet? Like you thought it was
I knew
way
there
less
was a
than you
lot that needed to
thought?
be done.
Okay, so you knew what you were getting into.
Buddy had sort of started, because when Nathan got it, it was never certified.
Yep.
And he'd always wanted like an RB or a JZ Silvia.
Yep.
With big wheels and that.
Yep.
So
Real Australian sex spec
yeah,
almost.
man. Yeah, definitely.
Yep.
Yeah, big mission. Like Buddy had taken it, started the cert process, and it was just a massive list, bro.
Yep.
Massive pages. Did all that, so then I thought, sweet,
Ready to roll.
I'm ready to go.
Yeah, cracked it.
Took it down to my mate Trundle and took it for the cert.
Another list.
Another big list. I was like, fuck, righto, sweet. So I did everything on that list and more. Took it back, and Marty that was setting it goes, righto, now I'll start the next page, eh?
What's your advice to yourself the day you bought this?
Woo back, brother.
Yeah?
Yeah, I guess. I think I probably had a train of thought that I'm going to be able to get it suited in the next couple of months and go from there, but it was a very long process.
Yep.
Very long. But got it to where it is now. And that's about all that matters, really, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a cool car, man.
Yeah, man.
Like, yeah.
Looks pretty, eh?
I'm S13s are my favourite.
Yep.
I make no qualms. I think they are the best JDM car.
Yeah.
But this is fucking good looking,
Yeah, bro.
man.
Yeah.
And it drives really
I've always
nicely.
liked this, like same with when I had the 34, like they're still old JDM cars, but
Yep.
they're like that later model.
Yeah.
Like this sort of looks like a newer Gina car. Really.
Yeah. I still remember, I've got my S15 story. So I was on Wairau Road, which is like at the Mobile, and we were probably 200 metres away from Nissan on the shore, which is where they were. You could only buy them from there.
Yeah.
At the stage of 99.
Yeah.
And a blue one,
Shit, I was
blue
gonna
turbo one, sorry?
I was one.
Yeah, I know, right? A blue turbo one pulled into the Mobile, and I ran over to the dude, and I was like, oh my god, that's an S15. Wow, oh, I can't believe I've seen one in real life, bro. Oh man, you must be in heaven. And he goes, dude, I picked this up a minute ago, and you're the first person I've ever seen,
Yeah.
and this is the reaction I got. So I reckon I made his day.
Yeah, man,
I'd love to
definitely.
talk to him again,
Yeah.
because I hope I did.
Yeah.
But it was cool. Like, it would have been like an
Funny
hour
video.
old, you know, and it was in the gas station putting his first tank of gas in it.
Yeah.
And there's this like 99, so there's this like 18-year-old
Yeah.
faffing over it. It was
Yeah.
so good. But I've always appreciated them since then, the 15s.
Yeah, man. They always like angry, I reckon.
Yeah.
Even like when Finger had his one back in D1 and that. Like
Yeah.
when I was younger, like I think Adam Richards might have had one, maybe.
Yes, I believe Adam had one as well.
Like they just looked angry. I reckon
Yeah.
headlights just look aggressive, eh?
They do. You're right. The headlights are really their showpiece.
Yeah.
And what's your favourite car event?
Choice events, bro.
One.
All day, all of them.
Which one? Come on,
Rotary
what's-
Reunion, bro.
that is your
Reunion,
favourite?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I never used to be in the Rotaries that much.
Yeah.
And then Tony Gallagher, who used to own Choice with Guy,
Yep.
he's avid rotary head sort of thing, and he sort of got me really into them, and I used to like appreciate them, but now I'm like sick.
If money wasn't an object,
Yeah.
what would be in this garage to use like this car?
It'd probably still be something JDM, I guess.
Yep.
I reckon. Maybe like a V-Spec GDR,
Yep.
34 or something.
Yep.
Or like a Porsche 3RS or something.
Yep.
Something that's still drivable though, eh?
Yep.
It has to be drivable.
Yep. No Paganis in this world.
Nah, not New Zealand.
Nah.
Maybe Dubai or something, but
man.
yeah,
That'd be
not
the one,
yet.
man. Cool, man. Well, thanks for letting me drive your car.
No worries.
I
You're
really
lucky,
enjoyed
bro.
it.
Not many people get to.
Well, I'm still
Don't
not
tell
tall
my
enough to
missus.
drive it, but it's actually the first one I've driven that I couldn't adjust.
Yeah.
Because part of the joke with me getting in a car is I always, except for twice, and this is the 29th interview,
Yeah.
I've been shorter than the person.
Yeah.
Every time, even the chicks.
Yeah.
It's so good. But no, thanks for letting me drive it. Nothing wrong with RB and an
Yeah, man.
S chassis.
Yeah.
It's
It's the only way to make an S chassis good, bro. Put a 6-cylinder in it.
it is the way to make an S
Yeah.
chassis good. I love RBs and I
Yeah.
love S chassis. As I said earlier, I love the S13s, but this has just got that timeless look that,
Yeah.
especially like this,
Yeah.
it's
Aggressive and
oh, it just ages so well.
Yeah.
It's that sex spec but street car.
like I said, bro, my biggest thing with it was to take it to the older generation and then be like, that's a nice car, you know? Even if they're not into Jappers.
Well, I don't know if I'm considered older or not, but I think it's a nice
you know,
car.
Yeah, exactly. You know what I mean? Like the hot rod generation.
Yeah, cool. Cool. Thanks, man.
Thanks,
Cheers.
bro.